Quality control specialists, imagine redefining your workflow and career by integrating cutting-edge artificial intelligence into your day-to-day tasks. You've spent years perfecting your craft, and now it's time to evolve with technology that doesn't just automate your routine, but unlocks insights that were previously beyond reach. In this course, you learn more than just a new tool. You're tapping into a transformative approach that liberates you from repetitive tasks and empowers you with the ability to analyze massive amounts of data in an instant. This isn't theory. The course walks you through hands-on tutorials designed specifically for quality control, laying out step-by-step guidance on how to leverage AI tools to improve accuracy and efficiency. You'll dive deep into real-world examples, explore thousands of tailored AI prompts, and discover practical guides that help you streamline inspections and spot anomalies effortlessly. Whether you're new to AI or looking to refine your skills, this training makes complex concepts accessible and immediately applicable to your work. And here's something important. Not only do you master a critical skill set, but most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. If you're ready to step into a future of smarter, more efficient quality control, you can find all AI for quality control specialist training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.